Most people think fruits have almost no protein, and that mistake could be quietly slowing your fat loss, draining your energy, and holding back your results without you even realizing it. The truth is, some fruits actually contain surprising amounts of protein, combined with powerful nutrients that help your body recover, burn fat, and stay full longer. In today's video, I'm revealing the top 10 protein-rich fruits you must know, and one of them might completely change how you build your diet starting today. A small green powerhouse packed with nutrients, kiwi. At first glance, kiwi might seem like just another simple fruit, but it's actually one of the most underrated protein-containing fruits you can add to your diet. Compared to many common fruits, kiwi provides a higher amount of protein, and more importantly, it comes with a powerful combination of vitamin C, fiber, and natural enzymes that help your body digest food more efficiently. One of its biggest advantages is an enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down protein in your digestive system. This means when you eat kiwi alongside other protein-rich foods like eggs, yogurt, or meat, your body can absorb and use that protein more effectively. So it's not just about how much protein you eat, it's about how well your body uses it. And kiwi gives you an edge here. On top of that, kiwi supports gut health, reduces bloating, and helps keep your digestion smooth, which plays a huge role in fat loss and overall energy levels. It's also low in calories but very satisfying, making it perfect if you're trying to lose weight without feeling hungry. Adding just 1 or 2 kiwis a day can quietly improve your metabolism, recovery, and even your immune system. Before we move to the next fruit, don't forget to grab my free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. It's packed with powerful foods that help you burn fat faster, and you'll find it in the description and first comment. Fast fuel with muscle support. Banana. Most people think bananas are just a source of sugar and carbs, but there's a lot more happening beneath the surface. Bananas actually contain a modest amount of protein for a fruit, along with a powerful mix of nutrients that directly support muscle function, recovery, and sustained energy. One of the biggest advantages of bananas is their high potassium content, which plays a critical role in muscle contraction and preventing cramps. If you've ever felt weak or fatigued during workouts, low potassium could be part of the problem. Pair that with the small amount of protein in bananas, and you get a simple, natural way to support your muscles without needing processed supplements. But what really makes bananas powerful is how they deliver energy. They contain natural carbohydrates that are released steadily, helping you avoid energy crashes while still fueling your body efficiently. This makes bananas one of the best pre- or post-workout fruits, giving your body quick energy while also helping it recover afterward. On top of that, bananas support digestion thanks to their fiber content, and they can help reduce cravings by keeping you feeling fuller for longer. So instead of seeing bananas as just a sweet snack, think of them as a strategic food that supports performance, recovery, and overall balance in your diet. Creamy, satisfying, and nutrient-dense. Avocado. At first, avocado might not even feel like a fruit, but it's actually one of the most powerful ones you can add to your diet, especially when it comes to supporting protein intake and overall nutrition. Compared to most fruits, avocado contains more protein, but what really makes it stand out is the combination of protein with healthy fats that your body needs to function at its best. Those healthy fats slow down digestion, which helps keep you full for longer and prevent sudden spikes in hunger. This makes avocado incredibly effective for controlling cravings and supporting fat loss, especially if you struggle with snacking or overeating throughout the day. And when your hunger is under control, sticking to a healthy diet becomes much easier. Another major benefit is how avocado helps your body absorb nutrients. Many vitamins, like A, D, E, and K, are fat-soluble, meaning your body needs healthy fats to properly absorb them. By adding avocado to your meals, you're not just getting its own nutrients, you're actually boosting the value of everything else on your plate. On top of that, avocado supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and provides steady, long-lasting energy without crashes. So instead of thinking of it as just a trendy food, see avocado as a strategic addition that supports protein intake, keeps you satisfied, and helps your body perform better every single day. small, sweet, but surprisingly powerful, grapes. At first glance, grapes might seem like just a sugary snack, but they actually offer more than people expect. Along with a small amount of protein, grapes are packed with powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells and support your body's recovery process, something that becomes even more important if you're active or trying to improve your health. One of the standout compounds in grapes is resveratrol, which has been linked to reduced inflammation and better heart health. When your body is dealing with less inflammation, it can recover faster from workouts, use nutrients more efficiently, and maintain more stable energy levels throughout the day. This makes grapes a smart addition, not just for taste, but for performance and long-term health. Grapes also provide natural sugars that give you a quick energy boost without the heaviness of processed snacks. This makes them a great option before or after physical activity, helping you stay energized while still supporting your body with hydration and micronutrients. Plus, their high water content helps keep you refreshed, especially in warmer climates. On top of that, grapes are incredibly easy to add into your routine, whether as a quick snack, part of a meal, or even frozen for a healthier dessert alternative. So instead of seeing grapes as just something sweet, think of them as a simple, refreshing way to support recovery, energy, and overall balance in your diet. Juicy, refreshing, and quietly powerful, peaches. Peaches might look like a simple summer fruit, but they actually bring more to the table than most people realize. Along with a modest amount of protein for a fruit, peaches are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins that help support your metabolism and overall energy levels throughout the day. One of their biggest strengths is how they support digestion. The fiber in peaches helps keep your gut healthy and your system running smoothly, which plays a major role in how your body processes nutrients, including protein. When your digestion is working properly, your body can absorb more of what you eat and use it more efficiently for energy, recovery, and fat loss. Peaches are also naturally low in calories but high in water content, which makes them incredibly satisfying without adding extra weight to your diet. This makes them a great option if you're trying to control hunger, reduce cravings, and stay consistent with your nutrition plan. You get that sweet, refreshing taste without the crash that comes from processed sugary snacks. On top of that, peaches contain antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress and support healthy skin, heart function, and overall wellness. So instead of thinking of peaches as just a treat, think of them as a smart addition that supports digestion, helps your body use protein better, and keeps you feeling light, energized, and on track. Refreshing, energizing, and immune-boosting, oranges. Most people think oranges are only about vitamin C, but there's more going on than you might expect. Along with a small amount of protein, oranges provide a powerful mix of hydration, natural sugars, and nutrients that help your body stay energized and recover more efficiently throughout the day. One of the biggest advantages of oranges is how they support your immune system, while also reducing fatigue. When your body is run down or low on nutrients, your performance drops, whether that's in workouts, focus, or even daily energy. Oranges help restore that balance, giving your body what it needs to function properly and stay consistent. They're also incredibly hydrating due to their high water content, which plays a key role in muscle function and recovery. Even mild dehydration can affect your strength, endurance, and overall energy levels. Adding oranges into your routine helps keep your body refreshed while supporting the natural processes that rely on proper hydration, including how your body uses protein. On top of that, oranges contain fiber that slows down the release of sugar into your bloodstream, helping you avoid spikes and crashes. This makes them a great option for steady energy and better appetite control. So instead of seeing oranges as just a quick snack, think of them as a simple, powerful way to support recovery, hydration, and overall performance every single day. Recovery support with a hidden advantage. Cherries. Cherries might look like a simple sweet fruit, but they carry a unique combination of nutrients that make them especially powerful for recovery. Along with a small amount of protein, cherries are packed with antioxidants and natural compounds that help your body repair itself more efficiently after physical or mental stress. One of their biggest advantages is their ability to reduce muscle soreness. If you've ever felt stiff or tired after a workout, cherries can actually help speed up recovery by lowering inflammation in the body. This means you can bounce back faster, stay consistent with your routine, and get better results over time. But what really makes cherries stand out is their natural melatonin content. Melatonin is the hormone that regulates your sleep, and better sleep directly impacts how your body recovers, burns fat, and builds muscle. So by adding cherries into your diet, you're not just supporting recovery during the day, you're also improving the quality of your rest at night. On top of that, cherries help support heart health health, and reduce oxidative stress, keeping your body functioning smoothly overall. So instead of thinking of cherries as just a sweet snack, think of them as a smart tool for better recovery, deeper sleep, and more consistent progress in your health journey. Sweet, light, and surprisingly strategic, strawberries. Strawberries might taste like a treat, but they're actually one of the smartest fruits you can include in your diet. Along with a small amount of protein, they're loaded with fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that support fat loss, heart health, and steady energy throughout the day. One of their biggest advantages is how they help control cravings. Strawberries are naturally sweet but low in calories, which means you can satisfy your sweet tooth without turning to processed sugar. This makes a huge difference if you're trying to lose weight or stay consistent with a clean diet, because managing cravings is often the hardest part. They also contain fiber that slows digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. When you feel satisfied, you're less likely to snack unnecessarily, which helps reduce overall calorie intake without feeling restricted. At the same time, their antioxidants support your metabolism and help your body deal with inflammation more effectively. On top of that, strawberries support heart health and help stabilize blood sugar levels, giving you a more balanced and consistent source of energy. So instead of thinking of strawberries as just a dessert fruit, think of them as a powerful ally that helps control cravings, supports fat loss, and keeps you on track with your goals. Light, refreshing, and deeply hydrating. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe might seem like just a simple melon, but it actually plays a powerful role in keeping your body balanced and energized. Along with a small amount of protein, it's packed with water, electrolytes, and essential nutrients that support hydration, recovery, and overall performance. One of its biggest strengths is hydration. Your body depends on proper hydration for almost everything: energy levels, muscle function, digestion, and even how efficiently your body uses protein. Even slight dehydration can make you feel tired, slow down recovery, and affect your results. Cantaloupe helps restore that balance naturally, making it an excellent choice, especially in hot weather or after physical activity. It's also very low in calories, but surprisingly filling because of its high water content. This makes it a great option if you're trying to lose weight or reduce snacking without feeling deprived. You get a refreshing, naturally sweet taste while still supporting your overall nutrition goals. On top of that, cantaloupe provides vitamins that support your immune system, skin health, and energy levels. So instead of thinking of it as just a summer fruit, think of cantaloupe as a simple yet powerful way to stay hydrated, improve recovery, and keep your body performing at its best. Rich, satisfying, and built for lasting energy. Coconut. Coconut isn't just a tropical treat. It's one of the most unique fruits you can add to your diet. Compared to most fruits, coconut contains more protein, but what really makes it stand out is its combination of protein with healthy fats that provide steady, long-lasting energy throughout the day. One of its biggest advantages is how it keeps you full. The healthy fats in coconut slow down digestion, helping you stay satisfied for longer, and reducing the urge to snack between meals. This makes it incredibly effective if you're trying to control hunger, lose weight, or simply avoid constant cravings that can throw off your progress. Another powerful benefit is the type of fats coconut contains, especially medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. These fats are quickly used by your body for energy instead of being stored, which means you get a clean, efficient fuel source without the heavy feeling that comes from processed foods. This can help improve focus, support metabolism, and keep your energy levels stable. On top of that, coconut supports hydration and electrolyte balance, especially in forms like coconut water, while also providing nutrients that benefit heart health and overall wellness. So instead of thinking of coconut as just something sweet or indulgent, think of it as a strategic food that supports energy, controls hunger, and helps your body perform at a higher level every single day. As you can see, fruits aren't just about sugar. They can actually support your protein intake, help your body recover, and keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Adding even a few of these to your routine can make a real difference. And don't forget, grab your free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss, from the description and first comment. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, which of these fruits do you eat the most?